Good morning, students. Our today's topic is our environment, that is chapter 15. This is simple chapter, just give a reading to this. Some important definitions like biodegradable material, which are shown given in your book. So, substances that are broken down by biodegradable processes are said to be biodegradable, and substances that are not broken down in this manner are said to be non-biodegradable. The substances which can be changed into simple substances are known as biodegradable, and which cannot be changed into simple substances are known as non-biodegradable. For the biodegradable materials, enzymes are present, but for non-biodegradable materials, enzymes are not present. So, box question: why are some substances biodegradable and some are non-biodegradable? For some substances, enzymes are present which can break the complex molecules into simple molecules. They are biodegradable, and for some others, these enzymes are not present, so they are non-biodegradable. Next, second question: give any two examples in which biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Biodegradable substances, they can produce foul smell. Second point, they are the breeding ground of insects. Third question, give any two ways in which the non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. The non-biodegradable substances can pollute the air, water and land. So they cannot be decomposed easily. Non-biodegradable substances cannot be decomposed. Next is ecosystem. All organisms such as plants, animals, microorganisms and human beings, as well as the physical surroundings, interact with each other and maintain a balance in nature. So, all the interacting organisms in an area together with the non-living constituents of the environment form an ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? The in organism with its surroundings, that is living, biotic and abiotic surrounding, forms the ecosystem. Thus, ecosystem consists of biotic components such as living organisms and abiotic components such as temperature, rainfall, wind, soil and minerals, etc. So this is about the ecosystem. Ecosystem can be of two types: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Forests are the example of natural ecosystem, and aquarium or garden is an example of artificial ecosystem. This is important from this page. Then organisms depends on producers either directly or indirectly for their sustenance. So producers, that is green plants, are the main source for the food to all the organisms. Green plants, in the presence of sunlight, they convert light energy into the chemical energy, chemical in the form of glucose. These organisms which consume the food produced either directly from producers or indirectly by feeding on their consumers are the consumers. Consumers can be classified variously as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and parasites. Herbivores which feed on the plants, they are herbivores. Carnivores which eat the herbivores, they are carnivores. Omnivores which eat the flesh as well as the herbivores also, so they are omnivores. From this, these definitions are important. So next is food chain and food web. Before that, one important definition is of trophic level. Each step or level of a food chain forms a trophic level. The autotrophs or the producers are at the first trophic level. They fix up the solar energy and make it available for the heterotrophs or the consumers. The herbivores or the primary consumers come at the second, small carnivores or the secondary consumers at the third, and the larger carnivores or the tertiary consumers form the fourth trophic level. Each step in a food chain is known as trophic level. So from here diagram we can show plants form the first trophic level. Here deer form the next second trophic level. Tiger form the third trophic level. Each step, plant, insect, frog, snake, eagle, they form the different trophic level. Each step in a food chain form the trophic level. So plants at the first in this food chain, plants form the first trophic level, insect form the second trophic level, frog form the third trophic level, snake form the fourth, and eagle form the fifth trophic level. Clear? The flow of energy between various components of the environment has been extensively studied, and it has been found that first point is the green plant in the terrestrial ecosystem capture about 1% of the energy of sunlight that falls on their leaves and convert into food. So this point is the green plants absorb only 1% of the total energy that falls on its surface.